What if you could make money just by collecting public information from the internet? No coding, no team, just AI tools doing all the heavy lifting for you. Right now, businesses are starving for data. Competitor pricing, customer reviews, trending products, real estate listings, social media insights. And if you know how to gather that data legally and efficiently, you can build an automated system that pays you while you sleep. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build that system using AI, step by step, and turn it into a stream of income. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is data scraping? It's the process of pulling useful information from websites. Things like names, prices, reviews, emails, or product specs, and organizing it into clean, structured data. When you're reworking with public information and not breaking into anything, it's 100% legal. You don't need to be a developer anymore. Today, AI tools can do most of the scraping and cleaning for you. Just tell the tool what you want, where to get it, and let it run. Here's the stack of tools you need. First, Bardeen.ai. It's a Chrome extension that scrapes search results. It's LinkedIn, Zillow, and more with just one click. Second, Browserflow. It's like Zapier for websites. You record the actions you want, and it repeats them automatically on any website. Third, ChatGPT with Code Interpreter. It takes raw HTML or messy data and transforms it into clean CSVs, summaries, or structured tables. Fourth, Make.com. This is your automation hub. Use it to schedule scraping, move files into Google Sheets, send emails, or even post results online. With these 4 tools, you can build a scraping system in one afternoon that runs 24/7. Now, let's talk about how to make money with it. First way, sell the data directly. Create niche databases, emails, leads, product reviews, pricing sheets, and sell them on Gumroad, Discord, Reddit, or your own landing page. Second, lead generation. Scrape business directories, LinkedIn, or real estate platforms. Then package and sell high-quality leads to service providers. Third, market intelligence. Scrape and compare competitor prices, reviews, and offers. Then sell these reports to e-commerce stores or consultants. Fourth, content automation. Scrape tweets, headlines, or subreddits and turn them into newsletters, faceless videos, or blog posts. You're not just selling raw data, you're selling time, insight, and automation. Next step, automate everything. With Make.com or Zapier, you can set your scrapers to run daily. Output goes straight to your client's inbox, your Notion dashboard, or Google Drive. Level up with AgentGPT or AutoGPT. Build systems that scrape, analyze, summarize, and publish. On autopilot, you become a one-person data engine. No staff, no cold emails, just value. Here's your takeaway. AI gave everyone the tools. Data is the new oil, and now you know how to mine it. If you want my free Notion dashboard that tracks and automates your scrapers, comment ScrapeStack below. Like and subscribe for more step-by-step videos on building faceless income systems with AI. You've got the tools. Go build something valuable.